Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to lock your Facebook profile to protect your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon. Here's the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile, tap the three dots. This will open a menu with several options. In the menu, tap on Lock Profile. You will now see an overview screen explaining what happens when you lock your profile. When your profile is locked, only your friends can see your profile details, photos, and posts. Also, any post or profile details that are set to public will be changed to friends only. If you are happy with these changes, tap the Lock Your Profile button. You will get a confirmation message saying your profile is now locked. If you don't see the Lock Profile option, it could be because this feature isn't available on your region yet. However, you can still protect your privacy by adjusting your privacy settings. And that's it. We have covered how to lock your Facebook profile and secure your privacy. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you so much.